For young.
Okay, now everybody has to say hello to the family.
Hi, family.
We can do it on movie, so
Oh, no.
we want you. We don't have the big lights like Father used to have.
I feel like I'm
Say
at
hi,
Richard and Donna's
Cameron.
house.
Hi, Cameron.
Tia, say hi.
Hi. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
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 All right.
Why is it everybody gets
Anybody want any
quiet?
hot chicken?
I got some.
Salad?
Sandy,
Oh,
wave.
Yeah, I'll try some of that.
I haven't even combed my hair today.
That's okay. That's okay.
Me neither.
It looks the same no matter what.
You want some?
Well, Mary, you don't have to comb your hair. You just have to put a witch's hat on.
Well, I have a hat somewhere. Well, I couldn't take a shower I couldn't wash my hair for 7 days. That means if I took a shower, I could only get my hair down. So for 7 days, I had the greasiest hair.
Take it out of your mouth now.
Because I couldn't bend over with a
Here's
paper
a
or
spoon
anything.
for you.
You can't do anything yet.
Tia, wave,
Can't do anything.
Now, how long did
sweetie.
you say you had to keep that thing on?
Say
Probably
hi.
6 weeks to 3 months, possibly. It's still.